Rishika Lakshmi. Today I am showing how to identify the differences between water, base and acid using litmus paper. First I am taking water. Now I am preparing base with water and surf powder. Now I am taking acid. Now I am testing acid with litmus paper. Now I am taking red color. Red color litmus paper cannot change color in acid. Now I am taking blue litmus paper. If we dip blue litmus paper into acid, it will turn into red color. Now I am testing base with litmus paper. Now I am taking blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper will not change color in base. Now I am taking red color litmus paper. If we dip red color litmus paper into base, it will turn into blue color. Now I am testing water with litmus paper. If we dip litmus paper into water, it will not change into any color. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.